Hi there. My name is Marcia Weatherly. I'm 70 years old, and I'm a retired psychiatric nurse practitioner. I came across Reb Adam on Facebook, sometime last year. I don't remember exactly when. And I was so immediately struck by the vibrancy and life that exuded from him, his eyes, his smile, his energy. And I had to keep listening. Here's this young Jewish man with payas and the yarmulke and the whole 9 yards. I had been exposed to Chabad House in college, but I never was in the position to follow it for various reasons, although it always held a place of warmth in my heart. I'd studied other philosophies over the years and other faiths, and I found pieces of things here and there, as we all do. But finding Reb Adam was life-changing. I joined his international online group called Lion Tree Coaching, and I encourage you to look into this and take it very seriously. One piece that I learned that has been so pivotal to me in how I'm living my life and how I see myself and how I'm functioning in the world is called one's essence identity. Now, I'm a perfectionist, and I have a PhD in nursing, and I feel I was very successful in my profession, and I loved what I did. And the reason I shared those things with you is because the essence identity was not anything I'd ever encountered before. I had encountered that, everything that exists, it was created by God, including us. And of course, the Torah says we're created in His image, and those things can be interpreted a variety of ways. But what I want to share with you are the 4 pillars of one's essence identity. Number 1, I am unconditionally valuable. I am perfectly good. I am eternal. And I am fulfilling God's purpose for me in every moment, because this is where I am and this is what I'm doing. So right now, in this moment, God's purpose for me to fulfill is sharing this testimonial with you in the hopes that I can ignite something in your soul that is seeking something like this new life, this truth with a capital T, the foundation, the middle, the end, the whole thing has been right under our noses all this time. So, back to the essence identity, you are unconditionally valuable. You are. And you are perfectly good. Yes, you. And you are eternal. Our soul doesn't die, just the body dies. And finally, we're all doing God's purpose right now, because this is where you're at. This is what you're doing. It's so easy for my mind to look at the achievements of other nurses as educated as I am in my field and think, I didn't do that, and why didn't I do this, and I could have gotten into politics, and I could have gotten active on the state level, blah, blah, blah. But that wasn't God's purpose for me. If it had been, I would have done it. So this has given me a sense of fulfillment and peace that I could not have found any other way. So I recommend Reb Adam to you with absolutely zero hesitation. You couldn't find a better coach, a better teacher who lives and breathes the truth with a capital T. Blessings.